Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch Review. Large bourses were scattered in the Asia-Pacific region, with China and Hong Kong standing out. Stoxx 600 Europe is suffering a slight loss for the second consecutive session. The bias towards U.S. equity futures is slightly stronger. After sterling and the euro extended their gains, the dollar has risen steadily in Europe. Small gains are being maintained by the Canadian and Australian dollar. Gold reached almost $1,810 before falling back lower. It is currently negotiating with the 200-day moving mean of $1,795. January WTI trades firmer at $81.55, but is still within the pre-weekend range. Asian Pacific market. Japan's final services PMI was slightly higher than the flash report, but still softening since October. The composite reading, 48.9, was unchanged from the initial estimate, but down from 51.8. This is the lowest reading since February. For the first time since February 2021, the dollar fell below the 200-day moving mean against the Japanese yen ahead of the weekend. The 10-year U.S. yield dropped almost 25 basis points in the last 3 sessions. Today's yield is more stable, and the greenback has remained within the pre-weekend range. Tomorrow morning, the Reserve Bank of Australia will meet. There is a 60% chance that the futures market will see a discount on a hike. The downside momentum slowed, and the Aussie retreated to $0.6800. Support is at 0.6780. Market of Europe. Europe reached an agreement on a $1.60 per barrel cap on Russian seaborne oil. The embargo on such oil is now in effect with some exceptions. Meanwhile, natural gas prices have risen by nearly 42% in Europe due to the recent cold snap. The ECB will meet on December 15. Swaps market participants favor a 50 BP increase and a 16% chance for a 75 BP change. After extending its gains, the euro reached $1.0585 in Asia. Then it stabilized and fell to a low of $1.0530. Today's expiration date is for options worth approximately €772 million at $1.0575. The final UK services and the composite PMI were within the range of preliminary estimates. Before it pulled back, sterling reached a new low of $1.2345. It found support at 1.2260. Market of America. Bloomberg's survey showed that job growth was 20% higher than the median forecast, which is consistent with a strong labor force. The median forecast predicts that hourly earnings will rise by 2/3. Today's data is extensive, and tomorrow we'll see the October trade balance. Canada today reports on October building permits ahead of the midweek rate announcement. Since mid-November, the Canadian dollar has been a laggard. It is the only G10 currency that has fallen against the US dollars. It is, however, the most successful currency in today's G10. Today, the US dollar fell to CAD 1.3385 below its lowest level. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.